I'm going to compare Shopify and Zoho Commerce. Shopify and Zoho Commerce are both great e-commerce platforms, but they serve slightly different needs. Shopify is a well-established platform designed specifically for online selling. It offers a wide range of themes, apps, and integrations, making it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. It also has strong multi-channel selling options, allowing you to sell on social media, marketplaces, and in person. Zoho Commerce is part of the Zoho ecosystem, making it a good option for businesses already using Zoho products. It provides built-in CRM, marketing, and accounting tools, which can streamline operations. However, it doesn't have as many third-party integrations or design options as Shopify. If you want a powerful, scalable e-commerce solution with extensive integrations, Shopify is the better choice. But if you're already using Zoho products and need a simple, all-in-one solution, Zoho Commerce might be a good fit.